Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi issues on OnePlus Nord 5 or how to fix connectivity problems on OnePlus Nord 5. So first I recommend you to begin with by properly synchronizing the date and time. To do so, open settings, scroll down, tap on system and update, tap on date and time. Here make sure set time automatically and set time zone automatically is turned on. If it is not, then turn it on. Then go back, tap on Wi-Fi, then try to toggle off Wi-Fi and then turn it on. And the final troubleshooting method that should resolve any or all of your network connectivity problem is to reset network setting. To do so, open settings, scroll down, tap on system and update, tap on backup and reset, tap on reset phone. Now tap on first option, that is reset network and Bluetooth setting. Please note that this reset option is safe as it will not delete your data from your phone. It will not delete any photos, videos, contacts, anything. It will just reset your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network setting. So tap on it. Now enter your screen lock password and confirm reset to reset this device. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.